welcome back to my channel. Welcome, this is my channel. Hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. In today's video, I am back with a what's in my backpack slash like not really what's in my backpack because it's a giveaway and all of this stuff would totally not fit in your backpack, so yeah. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, make sure to stick around to the end. I don't know why over there is the end. Everything you guys see will be given away. Wow. I should just never speak, literally ever. Give the video a thumbs up though if you guys like giveaways or if you guys just like sit down videos. Let me know if you guys want to see like a Q&A or something fun now that I'm probably not going to post any more back to school videos. Actually, that's not true. I think I want to post another one. Actually, I have 2 more back to school. Oh. This is the longest intro ever. Comment down below what one of your backpack essentials is. Mine is probably like my phone, snacks. There's probably other more important things, but those are at the top of my list. Comment down below what one of your backpack essentials is though, and let's get into the giveaway. Okay, so first things first, I got you guys this backpack, and I just think these backpacks are so cute. I would try and tell you the name of the brand, but I said that in my last video and everyone in the comments bagged me out, so I mustn't have said it right. So I got you guys one of these backpacks. Also, in the last video, I thought that I was ordering the bag in this color, but I didn't. So this time I actually ordered it in this color. Isn't it cute? It's kind of heavy because I put a hoodie in it to make it look cuter. A hoodie should not be heavy. Like, should I go to the gym? Speaking of hoodies, I got you guys this hoodie because, I don't know, like personally, I get super cold literally every time I go somewhere without a jumper or a hoodie or a sweatshirt. So this is an essential. And I got it for you guys because I got it for me the other day. So we can be twins. Obviously, I crop mine because like, I crop everything. It's a problem. But this is actually a guy's hoodie from H&M. That was mine. This is yours. And then we got a bunch of cute notebooks. For some reason, like my favorite part about shopping for like school supplies or giveaways is buying cute notebooks, because when I was like really young, I would always buy like the $1 just basic notebook, and like there's nothing wrong with those, but I used to wish that I had these, so I get excited that I can get them for you guys. We got 2 small notebooks. This one's so cute. It says good things take time. Very inspirational. And then this may look like 1 notebook, but if you look hard enough, it's actually 3, and they're kind of like all, I don't know, this is it. So this one's actually not a notebook, it's a to-do list, but it's so cute and we love being organized, so gotta have that. So I hooked you guys up with a bunch of cute notebooks. Moving on, I got you guys some liquid holders. I just love recording videos and just being only awkward. I got you guys a coffee cup that says make today amazing, so you guys can drink coffee, but you guys also gotta be hydrated. So I got you guys this water bottle, and I normally get like really over the top patterny drink bottles, but this white one was so cute and it says dream on like pressed into it. You literally will not be able to read the words dream on unless you win this giveaway, because that's how hard it is to see. Okay, so the next one definitely isn't a backpack essential, like you don't need this for school, but I just like giving away I just broke it. I just like giving away Polaroid cameras because they're fun, and I just feel like I would have never had a Polaroid camera when I was young. So I got you guys a Polaroid camera and some film, and we can be Polaroid twins because I got myself a Polaroid camera because it broke. It's a super cute ice blue Polaroid camera to match your backpack with the selfie mirror that no one ever uses. Moving on, I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I would actually have in my backpack, like actually, not just like being extra. So number 1, I was trying to think about like what I would need in my backpack, and that is hair ties and hair elastics. So I got you guys some scrunchies because they were cute, but I also got you guys these hair ties. I don't know what this is called, but these are the hair ties that I use on the regular because my hair literally snaps off if I use anything else. And then I just got regular hair elastics as well, because let's be real, if I just gave you like these ones, you would probably lose them all in like 2 minutes. Story of my life. Moving on, I got some sunglasses. I always have sunglasses with me at literally all times. I got this kind of like cute round shape. These literally look identical to like the Ray-Ban style. I cannot bring myself to buy a pair of Ray-Bans because they are so expensive and I would 100% sit on them. So I always just buy like this kind of sunglasses, but they're so cute. Okay, so next up, I put together like a little survival kit, and I seem to do this in every single video. I always have basically all of this stuff in my bag, like even if I'm not going to school. But Kane was asking me if I would put it in like a little makeup bag like this, and honestly, no. I would put like my hand sanitizer and my makeup just like in my backpack, and it would like float around with like the half-eaten muesli bars and like the breadcrumbs. Anyways, I got you guys a little mini top palette, which I actually already have, so let me show you mine. This is the palette. Isn't it cute? I'm trying to show you guys Kane.
No, I'm trying to hide.
There he is.
Ah, don't.
Also got a little mirror, so if you guys ever want to like look at yourself. I also put in some tissues, some mints. This is kind of gross, but I've totally gone to school before and like forgotten to brush my teeth and then like literally not being able to stop thinking about it all day. Mints, or like, I want to say gum, but I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to have gum at school. So mints are an essential. We also got some Carmex. I honestly nearly stole this last night from you guys because my lips were so chapped and I couldn't find my chapstick anywhere. We got my favorite lipstick ever, which is in the shade Daringly Nude. It's by Maybelline. It's the best. If you guys want a cute nude color, you should get this. Hand sanitizer, because people at school are gross. And lastly, I just got you guys a little mini tiny baby Hoola bronzer. It's so cute. Normally I would have like some wipes in my bag for like, I don't know, like after gym or something like that. But I got you guys these. I keep holding everything really close to the camera. I'm probably gonna have overlays, so. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna try and do like a speed round because I got you guys a bunch of stationery, but I also kind of feel like stationery isn't as fun as like the other stuff in the video. First things first, I got you guys the cutest pencil case ever. It has like a little corgi on it, and I basically only bought this because it reminds me of Mia's dog Ken, who is like the cutest dog ever. It says, "Hey there, cute bud," and I just thought that was so cute. We got an 8-pack of pens that you guys can share with your friends because let's be real, they're probably gonna try and steal them off you. We got highlighters and more highlighters because I bought these boring Sharpie highlighters and then I went to Typo and saw these cute ones and I couldn't resist. Why would you want big highlighters when you could get these ones that are cute and they have faces on them? I got you guys some white art. I could literally write in pencil all day long and not make any mistakes, and then the second that I pick up a pen I make a mistake in like 2 seconds. So we got the white art. We also have mechanical pencils for like that same reason. Kind of looks like you're cool enough to write in pen, but like really you suck. As you guys can probably see, I'm obsessed with like dog themed, actually I was gonna say dog themed stationery, but like dog themed anything. Like I am obsessed with dogs. So I got you guys these bulldog sticky notes, and I kind of don't really understand where you're meant to write on the sticky note because like we ain't trying to write over the bulldog's face. So I mean, these are kind of just for good looks. Like maybe you could write in the ears, but I don't know. And page markers that have like little fruits all over them. Typo has the cutest school supplies ever. I also got some erasers that have strawberries and lemons on them. And then lastly, I got you guys this pencil sharpener that kind of looks like a Frappuccino from Starbucks, which is my favorite drink. So fun facts with Sarah. I always carry a wallet in my bag, so I got you guys this one that has palm prints on it. It's got some card compartments so you guys can put your student ID. You guys know what a wallet's for. I don't know why I'm explaining it. Unless your parents pick you up from school, you're probably gonna have keys in your bag. So Kane actually found this keychain that said "Save the Shark." So this one's actually from Kane. It's so cute. Kane also took me to see a movie about sharks the other day. Not just any sharks though, sharks the size of a school bus that like apparently used to exist in the world, which is kind of terrifying. So I'm never going in the ocean ever again, but like also save the sharks. Okay, 100% a school essential is to have some headphones. So these headphones are by the brand Skinny Dip and they're just like silver and very cute. I feel like headphones are a school essential because if you need to like study in the library or do homework in the library and people are like trying to annoy you and talk to you, you just like put your headphones on and it's like just signal to everyone to not talk to you. I pretty much always have cold feet. Like I have cold feet right now, so I always keep socks in my bag. And I always have like a bajillion rings in the bottom of my bag because rings are my favorite thing. Like it's the only jewelry I wear, so they always just end up in the bottom of my bag with like the half-eaten muesli bar. You guys know I am obsessed with iron-on patches, so we got 2 different types. This one says Palm Springs. This one's my favorite. It's by Skinny Dip as well. And then I have this one that says BAM, like in the, is it like a comic book? Did they put that in there? Like BAM. So that's that. So that is everything that I picked up for you guys, slash what I keep in my backpack, but like extra edition because this stuff is way cuter than the stuff that I really keep in my backpack. If you guys do want to enter the giveaway though, it's super easy. The giveaway is going to be for my subscribers and all you have to do is just comment something down below. Literally say anything. You can tell me what the last thing you ate was, what color your hair is, what your favorite subject at school is. And then the second thing that you guys have to do is just come follow me on my Instagram account. This is it right here. It's pretty cute feed. My handle is @SarahJaneBets, and once you guys do those 2 things, you guys will be entered. But the giveaway is going to be open international. I always get asked if like I will send the parcel across the other side of the world. I will send it anywhere. You guys don't have to live where I live. It's all good. International. So if you guys want to check the description box to see all the information, I'll have it down below. But basically, it's for my subscribers. all you have to do is just comment something down below and follow me on Instagram. But I hope you guys like this video. Hit the thumbs up button so I know to film more videos like this, and hit the post notification bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.